Hello, my name is Phil Disselcohen, Assistant Instructor at Broadway Family Karate. We're going to look at the two-hand grip release. Okay, so we're going to use, somebody grabs a wrist, you're going to use your other hand to grab your fist, and then you're going to pull away and for the wrist release. So we want to start off with a parallel ready stance. Okay, have your hands up front. We're just going to demonstrate with my left wrist. So my attacker or partner comes in and grabs my left wrist. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to make a fist, nice tight fist. Then I'm going to move in like so. Keep my elbow in nice and tight. Then I'm going to use my other hand, bring it around, grab my fist, and I'm going to pull real hard like that, and then say let go, and then I'm going to move away into a wedge guard like that. So my partner's going to grab my left wrist. You're always going to move in on the side that they grab you on. So I'm going to step in, keep my elbow in, make a nice tight fist, grab with my other hand, and pull real hard, and say let go, and move away. Shuffle step, like so. So I'm going to have Mr. Booker assist demonstrating this technique. Okay, so I'm going to get into a parallel ready stance like I'm minding my own business, and Mr. Booker is going to grab my left wrist. So Mr. Booker, grab my left wrist. Okay, so so I don't want to start pulling like this because it's really hard to get free. So I'm going to need to move in. So that allows me to put my elbow in nice and tight. Then I'm going to grab my fist like so. I'm going to pull real hard. Say let go, shuffle step away like so. Okay, let's try that again. Okay, left wrist grab tap. Okay, now see he's got my arm extended. I do not want that. I want to move in so I keep my elbow in nice and tight so that I have a little leverage. And I'm going to pull real hard, let go, shuffle step. Okay, so I'm going to put this all together. Okay, Mr. Booker, left wrist grab attack. Move in. And then shuffle step away. Now, Mr. Booker started to back away a little bit, so I actually had to shuffle step towards him a little bit to get my elbow in and get in close enough where I can get a good pull on that. Okay, thank you, Mr. Booker. Okay, so that's the two-hand grip release. Very simple release. Actually, you'll probably, when you move in, you can actually incorporate a foot stomp on that too, if you want, if you need to. And that is the two-hand grip release.